Hey everyone, so here is current app. Yeah, let's explore how to install it and how to start using it. So here is the app. It's in top charts in finance category in US App Store. It's only 73 megabytes. So yeah, just tap get and then yeah, just confirm with your password or touch ID. Let's go through the process together. So members can earn up to 15 points on purchases. Uh, So yeah, you can see that there are over 70,000 ratings and the review is 4.7 out of 5. So that's cool. Um, and this is how the app looks like. Then you just tap get started. So I have this app which is called, let's try to create just like to see how it looks like. Okay, so probably it just won't work like that, but that's, yeah, there you have it. It only works in US, I guess, so let's try. Yeah, so it's only in US. Um, Anyways, that's how you can just download this app and start using it. Hope at least some of this information was helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.